Carrying it back out to center was Campagna giving away. Here's Bobella walking in. Bobella! Wilson into the circle, walking in. Fed all the way across. A shot!
Glove down by Bourbonnais. Bourbonnais into the zone. Shot! 50 seconds to go on the power play for the Engineers. 3-on-2 going into the zone. Orland, near side, shot!
Position, Fulton again, pulls it back, drops it back, Reno, a slapper is blocked, rebound loose, Fulton tries to jam it. Waiting, down low, walking in, Wood, he scores!
RPI looks to start a rush up ice on the near side, looking for Jake Wood at the blue line, but they misconnect on that. Now Woods behind the net suddenly has the puck as the defenseman falls down. Shots! Around to the near, front of me, proper miss, shot! Control as they're on the man advantage. Down low, look at
And he hands it off to Miller into the middle of the ice. A shot coming. He scores! Near point, Reno. Some space. A shot. He scores! He overskates. Good play by Wood to break it up. Diving play by Reno out to center. Liljegren on the move. Victor Liljegren moving in. He takes a shot. He scores! 19 seconds to go in the power play now. Liljegren down low, Bourbonnais. Bourbonnais looking, turning, firing, he scores! It'll rattle around to the far side circle, picked up by Bourbonnais, the RPI goal scorer. Pass all the way across to Wilson, firing a shot. Trying to get it out of the zone. Moore spins around to keep it in nicely. Schrader towards the net. He scores! Up the boards, picked up Prapavesis, move it to the slot, a shot coming, he scores! That was played on further for Nanny, ahead from Melanson. Drops it back off far side, Nanny trying to work his way in, shot coming, glove save, rebound, pumps loose, in the circle, shot save, rebound, Melanson, scores! Schrader has it in the offensive zone, drop it back for Wood, fed towards goal, rebound loose, in the crease! Rodriguez has his man tied up far side, pinching up the boards. Reno knocked down in the circle, turning and shooting. He scores! Prapavesis flips it ahead neatly for Rodriguez into the zone near side. A wrist shot saved. Rebound. They Grant's trying to keep it alive. Played ahead by Schrader. On for Wood. Wood in the circle. Drop past Melanson. Shot. He scores! Another drive to the net, chance and a goal! Seven assists already on the year for Parker Reno, who he and his teammates have cooled off just a bit. Here's a wraparound try, save made, rebound, they poke it home! He'll play it back to the point for Prapavesis. Now far point, Reno, through traffic, gets a deflection, save made, rebound, they score! Broken up by Clifford. He and Fulton go into it behind the cage. Back towards the net. Puck comes free. Wraparound try. Score!
The Engineers quickly in the other direction. Melanson into the zone. He takes a shot, and that's going to be saved by Levin. Puck goes loose. Back out to the slot. Shot. Score! Grant! Holds it in for RPI. Prapavesis along the boards. Down low. For Bourbonnais, back out to Moore. Moore waits in the slot, down loose, shot, score on the far side. Nice feed over to the right of Levin, and knocked out now by RPI and a break in the other direction. Engineers, Bourbonnais dishes it off and a score! Dishes it off to Bobella. Schmidt has it on the near side. Schmidt crosses the blue line, hits off an Engineer skate, and it goes back the other way. Bourbonnais trying to get to the puck, gets there.
Prapaves is kind of doing his pseudo-center routine as he brings it back up to blue line. Now he brings it back to the far boards. And a shot by Bradley.
Rodriguez hits Law, and now Saniti duels with him. Schrader, nice feed to the point for Grant. Wrist shot through traffic, he scores! Here comes Bubella on the stick handle through center ice. Still Bubella on the move, to the slot, pulls it back, to the backhand, fed on goal, he scores!
Riley Bourbonnais, the junior from Rochester, 13 goals and 7 assists for 20 points. Bradley a shot saved, rebound, they score! On for Gillespie, into the zone. Gillespie shooting, pad save, rebound, they score!
Near side for Bradley, nearly lost it out of the zone, he keeps it in. Prapaves now, penalty about to expire, now it's over. Back to 5 aside, the Engineers still in the attack, off the foot and in! Here's Hampton into the zone for Rodriguez, pulls it back, top of the circle, fresh shot coming, it deflected off a Bobcat. Gillespie on the wraparound, out in front, they score! Schrader spinning away from his man, that was Tays, right to the net, good poke check there. Played behind the cage by Tays. On for Minor Barron. Out in front, they score! Fires in from his own red line. That will not be icing as Lundgren beat the play and nearly stuck it home. He caught everyone by surprise, including me, beating out the icing call and nearly slapping the puck into an open net, but Garty got in the way. Now again, Lundgren scores!
DeVito hits one of the Tigers. The Princeton side of the zone. DeVito hits one of the Tigers, gets the puck back. It's behind the net. Engineers send it in! Near side for Wilson. Wilson, blue line. Up ahead, DeVito. Red line, blue line. DeVito right out front. Bubella scores!
Kenny Gillespie leading the rush the other way. Has Fulton crashing the net. Drop pass for Moore. Shot and a goal! Bourbonnais carrying it, top of the circle, drops it off Prapaves. Prapaves gets free to the slot. Prapaves walking in a shot, he scores! Here's Riley Bourbonnais, carries it center of the slot. Now Prapaves to the circle, up top, far side, one-timer, Wilson scores!
Back to the point, but the player at the point had moved too far in. Now Bubella going the other way. Bubella's got a couple minutes. He scores! Bubella doesn't pass to Lundgren, takes the shot himself, and RPI gets one. As the Bears had trouble weaving their way through the neutral zone, Engineers clear it out. They find DeVito at the red line. DeVito into the middle, gets to Bubella. Bubella shot, scores! 2 for Bubella this period. Back down low. RPI trying to feed it up ahead. They get it to Bubella, looking for the hat trick, but he misses the net on the redirection. Now Wilson top of the face, looks like a Bourbonnais, scores! On a deflection. Wood comes in for RPI, steals the puck away. Blue line, shot, score! Wilson scores from the blue line, 4-3 RPI.